William says his friend James is constantly overeating and needs a wake-up call. James says his health hasn't just affected his friendships, also his love life. His fiancée, April, is now joining us. James, you said your weight has put a strain on your relationship with your fiancée, April. Tell us how.
Well, I'm not able to do certain things I was able to do when we first got together. I think I'm probably close to 200 pounds heavier than I was when I first started dating her.
Whoa. How long y'all been going together?
7 years.
April, how has this affected your life with him, particularly your sex life?
It has put it on a pause at the moment. I think there's not much of a drive and self-esteem issues going on.
Coming from James.
Yeah,
April,
a little bit.
do you think he's healthy?
I don't think he's healthy.
And I somewhere I read some doctor had the audacity to say that you're healthy for a big guy.
Right.
I'd like to meet that nut because really?
I've been told that the doctor told me, like, you know, for a big guy, you're fairly healthy for a big guy.
Okay, each one of these represents 10 pounds of fat, okay? Think of this poor girl trying to have sex with this times 50. Come on, really, dude? I mean, pick this up. I mean, look at it. Multiply that times 50, 55. This is what you're carrying with you every single day. Do you know what it's doing to your heart?
Not good things.
No.
Making it work harder, making it bigger.
So what do we got to do to you to shake you up, to make you see that we got to get rid of some of this stuff? We got to, like, just say, get out of there, throw that one out, and then you'll see yourself getting skinnier and skinnier, and she'll say, man, are you sexy?
James, I just want to say something. And I want to say it because I went through it. It's not about you being sexy. It's about you having a good relationship with you to have a good relationship with her. Yeah. And I just want you to know that you're a powerful man and that you could take control. You're going to need help with this, but I just want you to know that there's power within you, that this is not going to happen overnight. But if you do the hard work, you do the sacrifices, and you really change your habits and understand what you're doing and why you're eating it, you will transform your life. And it's not about a number. It's about longevity. It's about vitality. And it's about long life to share with your loved ones.